Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Wanda DePaulo here, fired up and grateful for another day to be able to share with you. Today, guys, on this channel, we're going to talk about mindset, personal development, whatever comes to the table. I'm really fired up and grateful for today. I just got off the call. It's called a TNC, and that's where you work with founders of the company, where you can get all your questions answered. And if you're new online and you know there's so many questions, right? You know, this is a place where you can plug in and get your questions answered. And I got to tell you something. I've been up late at night and I've been up early in the morning because I'm so on fire about what's possible for 2024 for you and me if we just plug in. You know, we talked about the magical morning, the magical morning, and what that is, guys, is that your affirmations early in the morning. You know, affirmations are so important. What you put in your mind in the morning when you get up, right? When you get up, you know, your I am statements are so important. But when you go to sleep at night, right, from the end of the day, I like to end my day with putting on something in my mind, right, that is going to make my thoughts, you know, put good thoughts in my brain when I'm sleeping. You know, like sleep affirmations when you go to sleep. I don't know if you ever listen to Wayne Dwyer. I love Wayne Dwyer. There's so many that I love, but I love him. And it's this, you go to YouTube and on there it says every night when you go to sleep, listen to this. And I got to tell you something. When you do anything for 21 days, it makes a big difference in your life. So work on your body, your mind, and your spirit. And one way I love to do that is I have this new app we just launched, and it has your tasks. It has your quotes for the day. You always see me sharing the quotes for the day. It has you stretching, right? Each and every one of us need to stretch every day. We need to all drink 8 glasses of water, so they have that. They have a vision board. I love it because that's how I get what I want. I have a vision board, and I'm starting another one for 2024, guys. Here it is, right? You know, that's the color of the house. I did paint my house that color because I loved it. And I believe what you think about, you can bring about. You just have to have a plan of action. But if you want to learn more now about that app, guys, hit me up. It's on fire. I am on fire. And we got a great contest going. So for all my affiliates out there, you share this app, you can win some great prizes. So I love you. I appreciate you. As always, do something good for somebody else in the space and knowing they can't repay you. This is my bird, guys. She squawks every time I do a video. But I love you guys. I appreciate you. As always, do something good for somebody else in the space and knowing they can't repay you. If you want to learn more now, you know, hit the link in my bio. Appreciate you.